Thank you for choosing OSU. The video is divided into 3 parts. What's in the box? Connection guide. Please download application OSU from App Store or Google Play. Please open the app and create your account. Fill in the registration information. Click Add Devices. Scan the QR code on the camera. Open the waterproof plug at the bottom. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until hearing, "Hello OSU." The camera turns on when the blue light flashes. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until hearing a beep, and the camera is ready to pair. Select Wi-Fi and fill in the Wi-Fi password. Wait for your camera to connect to Wi-Fi. Connected successfully. Quick installation guide. Before installing the camera, please choose a location with strong Wi-Fi signal and 7 to 10 feet from the ground. Attach the positioning sticker for solar panel. Drill the holes with power drill. Insert the anchor and knock in with a hammer. Tighten the screws. Connect the solar panel to the base. Attach the positioning sticker for camera. Drill the holes with a power drill. Insert the anchor and knock in with a hammer. Secure the base for the camera with screws. Install the camera into the base. Plug the cord from solar panel into the USB port of camera. Camera installation is complete. Enjoy your life.